decreased by 37% ang microvascular complications, by 43% yung mga lower extremity amputation, 12% yung stroke, cataract, and heart failure. So, kahit 1% lang ang hemoglobin A1C reduction, napakalaking bagay na yan para ma-prevent ang diabetes complications. So, meron tayo yung tinatawag na legacy effect or metabolic memory. This came from the UKPDS study in which yung nasa strict control, tight control group ng UKPDS, finalo up nila after 10 years. And nakikita doon na even after 10 years, there is a decrease in all-cause mortality at saka myocardial infarction as compared to doon sa mga pasyente na nasa conventional control. So very important na early on sa diabetes na it should be controlled ang blood sugar ng pasyente. So the importance of targeting both the basal and prandial glucose excursion among Southeast Asians. So postprandial hyperglycemia persists after basal therapy.